Hello, bug people. Hi, bug family. Hi, Disha. Hey, Aditi. Happy Women's Day to you girls. Hi, Sonal. Hey, Kashish. Good day to everyone. It's 12 o'clock, and like I had promised you, your bug host and dost, Hetal Rawal, is back again on 8th of March with 8 amazing women. This is our special stew, and we are going to have somebody really interesting. Who is she? Let's understand. Kashish Thakkar, Marketing Director, Paras Group of Industries. She's a semi-finalist at Mrs. India Festival. She's been a businesswoman, a fitness enthusiast. Oh, she happened to mention to me that she's an artist, lifelong learner. Let's find out. Kashish, I'm taking you in.
अभी पूछो.
Hi, Kashish.
Hello. Hi everyone. First of all, happy Mahashivratri and happy Women's Day to all the viewers and to you.
Happy Women's Day to you too and all the viewers, and happy Mahashivratri. Oh, you're looking
Yes.
gorgeous.
So are you?
Lovely, lovely. So, Kashish,
Yes.
let me begin with the very first most important thing, Mrs. India.
Yes.
Let's get that. Our audience would be delighted to know.
Uh, yeah, it's a very interesting journey that I took for myself. So, just 2 years back, I decided to, participate in Mrs. India pageant. And if you know Mrs. Sargam Kaushal, who became Mrs. World
Hmm,
last year,
hmm.
we are from the same batch. And like
Wow.
she won and she went ahead and brought so much grace to our country. And I was a semi-finalist, and the main thing which is very important, and I would like all the listeners to understand, is that of course results matter, but results से भी ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है journey and the learnings you take from that journey, because everyone can just try to be better every day in every aspect of their life. So it's today it's a best day for somebody else. Tomorrow it can be a good day for somebody else. But at the end of the day, I feel the journey which you take as an individual for yourself is the most important.
So lovely to know that from you, Kashish.
Yeah.
Representing yourself at a beauty pageant
Yes.
and ensuring that you celebrate beauty not by physical appearance but with heart. Beauty in the mind
Absolutely.
to
That's the
do,
most important thing.
yes,
Yes.
beauty in the mind to do lovely things for people around you in your community, in your family, explaining to
Yes.
people that beauty is just not the genre which is physically and externally driven, it is internally driven. And women like you need to be put forward, women like you need to talk a lot about it, because I believe these segments and these pageants are certain places where women actually get molded, they are trained and all. Would you explain a little bit about what happens, how, what is the journey of a contestant, so there are other women who are interested to be in this line, they could get encouraged too?
Of course, we can definitely talk about it. But before, like when we talk about it, it's very important to know your purpose. What do you, what a person or a woman wants to derive out of these pageants is very important, because your own goal leads you to, ahead in any pageant. When you talk about pageants, it's very, there are so many platforms. first of
Correct.
all. So you can easily get confused, influenced,
Hmm.
misguided, all sorts of things happen. So I know there are lots of good things also associated with it, but I would also like to mention and make girls aware that don't expect an overnight too much out of one pageant.
Right.
When you enter a pageant, you first of all you have to mold yourself in a particular way. Of course, you get lots of opportunities to learn. That's a given. And out of that, you give your 100%.
Hmm.
So then the rest is up to luck and God, and of course the deciding people, the pageant itself, the kind of awareness you create, the kind of good work you do throughout the pageant. Lots of factors affect the decision. So instead of getting bogged down by and taking too much pressure, I feel we should just take, like how we do it in life, that you take the day as it comes, give your best in that day. Don't expect too much out of that day. That returns and rewards, you should leave it on God and the deciding people. But yes, you give your 100%. That's what I feel.
Lovely. That's that's a
Yeah.
really a good information that you shared with us. Competition, be it beauty competition or a sports competition, it all remains the same. The journey is
Yes.
important. The evolvement that you have through this journey is very, very pertinent. So great
Yes.
thing to know about you.
Thank you.
Okay, you have a second face of yours. There's a different side to you, which is
Yeah.
a marketing director
Yes.
at Paras Group of Industries. Kindly
Yes.
explain to us. We are talking about warehouse and logistics industry. So, what is it
Yes.
about? Because I'm a little curious and I'm honest, Kashish. There is very little information because I believe it's not yet that developed and organized as a sector and a domain. So, please throw
Yes.
some light on that.
So when I got married at the age of 23, my heart and soul always used to be in management. I have always loved management. I have done also bachelor's in management, and basically, I always found that that place is somewhere, there where respect and dignity and your hard work, all three of them can shine together.
Correct.
So that's what my inclination towards that was. And then when I got married, I was really really fortunate that my father-in-law and my husband were with open arms. They welcomed me in their business, which is Paras Group of Industries, and we are into logistics. So basically, we own warehouses, and
Okay.
we have to give it on long lease. That
Okay.
is our core business.
Hmm.
The space and everything we already have, we have to market it in the correct way and get the best results out of it. So I being a marketing director, I directly add so much value to sales. And I see, I feel whether it's family business. So many people think that, oh, it's a family business, what, like there, so you can only flourish. No, it's not like that. Even if it is your own father, even if it is your own husband, even if it is your own company, challenges will be there. You have to go beyond that. You will be put to test. You will be marked and observed and noted upon what are your capabilities. We always look at the perspective, okay, this situation or this person will give me this, or they are supposed to do this for me. But I think very few people and think that what I can give to this situation. This
Right.
situation is there.
Yeah.
Yes,
Hmm.
it's right in front of me. I am right now here. What I can do, what I will put my thoughts, my efforts, and my expertise, so this situation gets better. Forget about others who created this situation. We all get caught up in that. Okay,
Yes.
and we start doing a blame game and everything. But the any environment doesn't work like that. You can only grow when you know what you can give. So I am very happy, but that I'm only saying that, but I'm sure they are very happy with my work, and I have time and again tried to do the best I can. And that's what a family, a company, even if as a nation you see, what you as a person can give is what makes you the best out of all. So that's what I
So
stand
one is
by,
this.
and I'm, yes,
So one is, Kashish, they say that you are given an opportunity. Second is
yes,
embarking on that opportunity.
yes,
Third, most important that you have rightly mentioned is you need to grow yourself in that platform. You need to create a space and a place for yourself,
yes,
irrespective of the opportunity being bestowed upon you. And then
yes,
make a mark, show people with your performance, become an idol, become a leader with a title, and show to
yes,
them that yes, we are giving full respect to the responsibility given to us. Fantastic.
yes, exactly. And you earn the respect. You
Yes.
don't, I mean, you don't
Yes.
demand. Yeah,
Yes, you don't demand. Your
yes,
actions, your values, your vision, everything is noticed by people, and then they slowly start respecting you and they understand that yes, you are who you are because you're bringing a lot of value. That's commendable.
yes.
That's really commendable. So,
Thank you.
Kashish, we saw the side of you which is professional. We saw the side of
Yes,
you where you are a family lady. You're a mother, right?
yes. I have a very, very lovely son. He's
Huh.
6,
Six
and
years. Okay.
yes.
Huh.
And I think I am enjoying with him the his childhood, like it's mine. And of course, the taking more responsibility. I mean, mothers are always there to take responsibility, but and when mothers are asked questions, I think it's always guided and diverted towards, how you are raising, nutrition, schooling, and everything. But I think in all of there is very, very important and also exists there.
Hmm.
But together with that, sometimes when I sit back and when I am thinking,
Hmm.
I feel I should not miss this opportunity of living this childhood with him, because in no time they grow up and they will have their own life and proceedings where they will be able to devote less time to us.
Correct. Yes, yes.
So
As
instead
a
of
modern lady, as a modern
yeah,
lady, having a profession at one side, having a 6-year-old kid, and coming up with this kind of a mindset that I want to enjoy their childhood also, and I want to nurture myself and be the right mother for them. This is a very good encouragement for all the young women. You live in a metro, we know that for sure, and
yes,
you are also going, you're traveling, your business is such which has got warehouses at different locations, and
yes,
still you don't want to, you want to hang on to, you want to, be there for every single beautiful moment of your child. This is
yes,
really wonderful. This is something that a lot of young women should understand, that you can have happiness along with work. So there
yes,
comes your work and life balance thing. Okay, there
yes.
must be certain moments, Kashish, where you must have had a hardship, where there could have been a challenge. Could you narrate or explain to us in any walk of life where you had that kind of a discouragement and you conquered it, you moved beyond it? Any, if you could cite any example or any story of yours.
So I will tell you a very an incident which is very close to my heart, and whenever somebody tells me, I instantly think of this incident. So I was very young and I was about a teenager. So, a teenager mindset. They want to look good, they want to do good in studies, they want to do everything at once as a teenager. And while it is a very good thing, it also puts a lot of pressure on that teenager if not guided well. So,
Right.
my teenage years were not very, I was not this good looking, or I had so many acnes on my face. And because of that, and in those years, looks are very important, which when you grow, you
Yeah.
realize that looks are
You
not
want to dress
everything.
well, you want to look well. Yeah. You want people to
Yes,
say, hey, this one is a good looking person. Yeah, yeah.
yeah. And so at that time, and my sister, who is another very, very pretty lady. So, she's elder to me, and so you can understand that what kind of environment I was in. And my confidence was almost shattered. And at that time, I felt like, no, I'm not going anywhere, and I don't want to meet anyone. And you know how that is. So, it's not a very pleasant environment in
Hmm.
my head, not outside. Outside, everyone, my family, and everyone is very supportive.
Hmm.
But then one fine day, suddenly my father told me that, okay, whatever you feel like now is okay. So there is this motivational conference happening, and I want you to just join and just have fun. And if you like it, we'll sit through it. If you don't like it, we'll go above it. Like, we'll come out of it, and it's okay. You can leave in the half. So I got convinced and I went. And I would like to even mention the person's name whose conference I attended. He was Mr. Sneh Desai. I hope you might have heard of
Yes,
him.
I've heard
He's
of him.
a great motivational speaker in Gujarat,
Right.
and I was fortunate to attend that. And after that, whatever I learned about how nothing else matters, only the programming of our mind matters in any given situation. The power of,
Yes.
our own mind. You
Yes.
don't need to, when we were small, we used to hear these stories that everything is inside, look inside, don't look outside, keep your glance inside.
Yes.
So, but we don't get that. But when we grow and we want to learn good things, and we have that perspective that, okay, no, some people are doing good, and some people are not doing good in their lives. And when we go deep dive into it, we realize that it's actually all the power lies with us.
Right.
Only we are the deciders of what we want in our life.
True.
Nobody else can and should decide.
Right.
So, once I got, at least a baby step into this beautiful world of positivity and the power of your mind, I realized I was overweight. I was always a brilliant student because I was a good learner from the beginning. God has been very kind to give me that ability that I don't, get bogged down by, okay, the pressures. I learn out of it. So that way, I came out of it, started taking care of myself more. I lost my mother at a very young age. So that part of my life had a very big impact on me emotionally, physically. So that all was showing what's happening in my brain, how much I miss my mother, and all that. So once I realized that what you can't change, certain things you can't change, but what you can change is your coming life. And when I put conscious efforts into it, I got beautiful results. And I can proudly say that a lot of part of my life is where you can see that positivity and, the good faith has turned me into this person. Hi, can you hear me? Not good at their point. Hi, the
Hi.
internet is a little, hi,
No,
yeah.
you're back.
So,
You're back. Wonderful.
yeah, yeah,
So, Kashish, last 5 minutes were very deep. You
yeah.
have great courage onto it. And here goes a kiss for you
Oh.
for this particular thing.
Thanks.
I would like to tell our audience right
Kind.
now
Very
one
sweet.
thing which has come through your story is that losing someone who is a parent is not easy. You were young.
Yes.
The beautiful
Yeah.
thing that happened was you opened up in front of your father. Your father
Yes.
played two roles, a father, a mother. In fact, I
Yes.
think he also played the third role of a friend,
Yes.
right? So, a young adolescent teenager girl who must be going through a self esteem lost low self-esteem, self-confidence, and also bringing a lot of doubt, irrespective of you being beautiful the way you are. But him taking, you took the first step, he took the second step of taking you to a mentor. So generally they say कि आप जब रेडी होते हो ना, तब आपका मेंटर भी रेडी हो जाता है, जरिया जरूर मिल जाएगा आपको कहीं से भी.
Yes,
You will
yes,
meet the mentor somewhere, and that mentor will take you through that journey beautifully. So the
yes,
first step started with you. Kudos to you, Kashish. I'm sure these are the values you're going to teach to your son also, and it
yes,
will bring
of
about a lot
course.
of change in him. And this story also came with a result that you are the Mrs. India semi-finalist. So
Yes,
I can just see that a lady who was about a decade or so was going
yes,
through this. You overcome it. You placed yourself in something which is known as beauty pageant, where confidence is the first thing which is required to present
yes,
yourself, and you won it to quite an extent. So
yes,
this is a beautiful story for every audience of mine, men, women, children, kids, whoever is listening to us at Bug. This is a brilliant thing, guys. If you have a slight iota and your confidence is dipping down, if at any moment you're feeling that you want to come out of that space, please speak to people from your family, please speak to your mentor if that person is around. With time and with different events, you will grow yourself, you will groom yourself. This was really lovely, Kashish, to share such a
thank you.
private information and journey of yours. It was really wonderful. Let me understand few more things. Okay, you said that you are a marketing director, you're somebody who adds value, brings meaning to it. Are there any challenges in your industry of warehouses and logistics? It has got a lot to do with locations, right?
Yes. So what happens is that warehouse is something that every brand needs.
Hmm.
Uh, and it only works when the location is correctly chosen,
Hmm.
because lots of transportation and time saving is concerned here. So that way, even in this industry, before for 5 to 6 years, it was not very well organized by the government. There was less support. It was not that organized. But now, with Modi government and with lot of efforts towards every sector, as you and I both can witness,
Hmm.
we can see that efforts like Gati Shakti is being made. There's a scheme called Gati Shakti. Lots of
Yes.
details. Now it is getting very well organized. The power of an organized logistics sector is skyrocketing. So you have to, if and I feel there is a lot of scope for other women also to join in this sector, because so many people and so many women, whenever they think of joining any sector, they don't think which industry I want to go in.
Hmm.
Okay, job, we see the job, we see the profile, okay, marketing profile, finance profile, or this job, or CA, or whatever, but we don't see that, okay, which industry I want to go in.
Hmm.
This industry has so much scope for women because it is very less explored. And because of that imbalance, I would like to say imbalance, because whenever there is too much men included in any team, the perspective of women and the is always hidden, and you can't, because of that, you can't reach more people. Whenever there is a balance in team also, you can reach more people, and the perspective is touched to many people. So I think it's women should also think to come in this sector. I have this dream that whenever I do some any small new project only on my own, I'm very happy right now with the way things are going on and the kind of responsibilities I already have. But I always, whenever I sit back and think and relax, and then when I think that what you want to really do, then I feel that I want to do something for women, like the normal women who can come in this logistics sector and safely have a nice working environment and can do wonders, on at ground level also, at the field level. That's what I feel. They
But
should be given enough chances and opportunities.
yes, this industry is such which requires a lot of women to come in. We need to
Yes,
encourage them. And like you
yes,
rightly mentioned, at any workspace, there's a good blend of masculine and feminine energy required mentally. And even externally to bring about that warmth, to bring about that calmness, to bring about, a
yes.
different perspective to a certain thing. So it goes
Perspective.
hand.
Yes,
Yeah, that is required. That is
yes,
so true. So, Kashish, you began the segment by wishing us Mahashivratri. I want to
yes.
go a little personal. I want to understand that how is today's day that Kashish is going to spend, because it's Women's Day for her, it's Mahashivratri for her. How are you going to spend
So
this
for
day? Very busy?
yes, and I want to keep myself busy. I want to immerse myself into, the devotion towards
Good.
Shiv Bhagwan. And yes, and my only thing is that I feel I want to reach to that level where I am doing now. Every Mahashivratri, I am doing that Char Pahar ka
Oh,
puja. I want to reach to that level, and that is the goal. But today I am just going to do evening puja and then immerse myself in the jap. And I have kept vrat also. Like so many people, I'm sure, on the you must have kept it.
yes.
Even lot of people. So yes, doing our best beat wherever, how much ever we can. That's the
Wonderful.
goal. That's the aim. And I'm very, very fortunate, and I would love to thank you for giving me the opportunity to come live and have a good discussion with you, tell my stories to all the women out there on the Women's Day special. Like
Yes.
for the Women's Day, what I'm doing, this is the answer. This is the best I can do on Women's Day.
Pleasure is all ours, Kashish, to have you over here. Pleasure is all ours to tell the audience, everybody over here, to make them realize that women can be at work on a very religious and a spiritual day like this. We meet up and we talk and we encourage other women, other fellow peer women, that you can do work, you can have family, you can have hardships, but you can really bring value to whatever that you're doing. So, Kashish, while we are ending this segment, I would want to know that if your kid is around, can you call your kid? I just would want to see your kid.
Oh,
Is he around?
sure. I wish I could have showed him to you, but he
Yeah.
actually went down
Okay.
with his
No.
father, and
No.
yes, so they had
So
some work. I'm so sorry. Uh,
I just want one encouraging trait that you would want your kid to have from you. Any personality you feel
that's a
like you want.
very beautiful question. Yes, that's a very beautiful question. And the one thing that I want him to learn the most from me is that look beyond the difficulties. Whenever we look at the difficulties, we feel that, okay, that is the end of the world, or what, this is it, that is how it's going to be, or we are ready to accept the negativity or negative results very fast, which should
हाँ,
not
we
be the,
imagine कि अरे ये हो
yeah,
जाएगा. Oh my God, what's going to happen to us? Oh, it's going to be
yes,
worse. We
yes,
think extreme.
yes.
Yeah.
And we always, our that negative side, we all have negatives and positive sides. Nobody is perfect. We all are. ये डिफिकल्टी है, बट थोड़े टाइम में हाँ ये सब अच्छा हो जाएगा तो कैसा होगा, when this situation is better, what will happen? Always think that whenever something comes up, think of it as a temporary thing, that it's temporary, it's gonna get sorted out very fast.
Positive visualization is something that you have taught us, right?
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
yes, that
Difficulties,
always,
accept it, embrace it. Yeah.
yes.
You have to
And
look
whenever
beyond.
we have, yes, what we are feeding our mind is very important. I'm sure everyone is talking about it, but we sometimes forget that, okay, I'm feeding to my mind, what I'm giving it to, because thoughts and that only is building our life,
They
our
turn
thoughts,
reality. They turn it.
emotions.
Reality.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So let's not be the enemy of ourselves and be the highest,
Yes,
cheerleader for ourselves. When
yes,
only we have to decide, then why don't we choose the best for ourselves?
yeah.
So I think
Growth
that should,
is really a positive mindset. Lovely golden
yes,
nugget, Kashish.
yes.
Ha. You're beautiful inside and externally as well. And
Thank you so
we
much.
do a buck salute to everybody, a buck salute to you. Happy
Even
Mahashivratri
I
once
will
again.
reciprocate that.
Thank you. Thank you. It was
You are
lovely to
also
have you
doing
around, Kashish.
same here,
For more
same here.
such interviews, we will be in touch with you. Thank you.
Definitely, and we have to meet.
Yes, sure.
Our
That would be.
coffee date is left.
Oh, lovely. Thank you.
Yes.
All right. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you
much for
once again.
having me.
Yes.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye. See you. Have a nice